What's good, y'all? Today we chilling with old Woody the Wheelbarrow, and he's seen better days. You know what I'm saying? So I'm finna give him a fix up today. This is a nice wood barrel, nice metal, old school. You know what I'm saying? This is an old one. Came with the property that it's a nice sturdy wheelbarrow. So see, turn it around here. Got one of these handles snapped off at this end, so today I'm gonna be replacing this part with this. Yeah, pretty much gonna cut this down a little bit to size. Drill the holes through it for these bolts they gotta go through. Take this whole piece off. You know what I'm saying? I think I'm gonna have to shim it a little bit, a slight thickness that I'm gonna have to add to these bolt spaces, but I got extra wood for that. So this is just you know, a video to encourage fixing up certain things that you can still get some good use out of. You know, a nice good wheelbarrow cost you know, somewhere around 80 to 100 bucks nowadays, 120 bucks. And this is a nice old school wheelbarrow. So instead of doing that, and I do have another wheelbarrow, but this is just a project for today. I'm gonna go ahead and fix this up. Alright, so I got the handle removed from this side. You see, got this wedge still right here that's gonna stay. You know what I'm saying, to make it slant the same as the other side. So pretty much all I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna fit this in here just like this. And I'm gonna pull away. I got my wedge pieces right here, so you know, pretty much every location that these holes are gonna go, there's a wedge that I'm gonna put either on the top or the bottom to, you know, make sure it pretty much make the thickness the same as the other side, because this handle that I got is a little bit it's just not as thick. So I'm gonna just sticking them up, you know, at the bolt locations. So I'm gonna figure out exactly where I'm gonna wet, you know, where each of these wedges gonna go, and then I'm gonna just drill some holes through, and go and send the bolts through and tighten it up. You know what I'm saying? Simple as that. Alright, so got it rigged up pretty much. You know where these shims gonna go. Holes are pretty much lined up, and trying to go ahead and get to it. All right, guess we should start. I'm gonna start over this end where the wheel at. Just me. I'm just tripping. first one. Second. Alright, check back in. Pretty much almost complete at this point. See, I got my new brace up on there, you know, new handle all the way up on there. Got all of my shim support. For this one, I added another screw right there to prevent this from, you know, turning. It's nice and wedged and tight. These tighten up a little bit. This one's still loose, and that one's still loose. So I'm gonna tighten those up, and after I tighten them, it's already, I've been flipping it over, it's already nice and sturdy, but I'm gonna make sure those get nice and tightened up, and then show you what I got. All right, so that's it right here. Everything nice and tightened up, and time to flip her and make sure nice and sturdy. So yep, nice and sturdy, feeling good. Can't wait to put that back to the test. So if you homesteading, own the homestead, you know what I'm saying, this is gonna be a skill that you need to have. You need to be able to refurbish tools, items, you know, whatever is gonna make your job easier. So sometimes you don't always need to go out and get new things. It's good to have a backup, but you also need to be able to repair items as well. So that's gonna be it for this video. Just help you out at all, go and leave a like. Got any questions, hit up the comment box, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace out for now, squad.